Standard first. Subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. In this video, we are going to learn a new topic about word problems on subtraction of two-digit number without carrying over. You have already learned how to subtract numbers. Do you know that you can solve several word problems which are very similar to the problem which we have in our everyday life using subtraction. So let's see some of the word problems which we can solve by using subtraction. But before that, we already learned there are many names of subtraction like left with, minus, take away, remains and many more. When you read any word problem, word like this indicate that you need to subtract two given numbers. In word problem, some information is given. With the help of that information, you have to find something. So let's see some example of it. Now student, in this example, there were 72 pages in a storybook. Tia read 31 pages. How many pages were left to read? So, number of pages in a storybook? 72. Number of pages Tia read? 31. Now this information is given. Now we have to find out number of pages were left to read. Left means we have to do subtraction. So here we have to subtract 72 minus 31. Let's arrange the number according to their place value. The bigger number 72 goes on top and smaller number 31 written below it. Let's represent the number 72 using place value box. The number 7 is in the tens place. Represent the number 70. We can show by using 7 tens block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, the number 2 is in ones place. Can be shown by using 2 ones block. 1, 2. Let's begin subtraction from ones place. We must subtract 1 from 2. That is, take away 1 from 2. So let's take away 1 ones block from 2 ones block. So we have 1 ones block. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Let's move to the tens place. We must subtract 3 from 7. So let's take away 3 tens block from 7 tens block. 1, 2, 3. So we are left with 4 tens block. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. It means 72 minus 31 is equal to 41. The answer of the question is 47 pages were left to read. Let's see some more example. Raju sells balloons. He had 58 balloons in his hand in the morning. He sold 25 balloons by evening. How many balloons does Raju have left? So, number of balloons he had? 58. Number of balloons sold? 25. Now this information is given. Now we have to find out number of balloons left with him. Left means we have to do subtraction. So here we have to subtract 58 minus 25. Arrange the number according to their place value. The bigger number 58 goes on top and smaller number 25 written below it. Let's represent number 58 using place value box. The number 5 is in the tens place. Represent the number 50. We can show 5 tens block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, the number 8 is in ones place. Can be shown by using 8 one blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's begin subtraction from ones place. We must subtract 5 from 8. That is, take away 5 from 8. Let's take away 5 ones block from 8 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we left with 3 ones block. So, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Let's move to the tens place. We must subtract 2 from 5. So, let's take away 2 tens block from 5 tens block. 1, 2. So, we are left with 3 tens block. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It means 58 minus 25 is equal to 33. So, answer of the question is Raju has 33 balloons left. Riya has 47 candies and she gives 15 candies to her sister. How many candies left with her? So, number of candies with Riya? 47. Number of candies she gives? 15. So, this information is given. Now, we have to find out number of candies left with her. Left means we have to do subtraction. So, now here we have to subtract 47 minus 15. Arrange the number according to their place value. Let's represent the number 47 using place value box. The number 4 is in the tens place. Represent the number 40. We can show 4 tens block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, the number 7 is in ones place. Can be shown by using 7 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's begin subtraction from ones place. We must subtract 5 from 7. That is, take away 5 from 7. Let's take away 5 ones block from 7 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We left with 2 ones block. So, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Let's move to the tens place. We must subtract 1 from 4. So, let's take away 1 tens block from 4 tens block. 1. So, now we left with 3 tens block. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. It means 47 minus 15 is equal to 32. So, the answer of the question is 32 candies left with her. I have 65 toys and my mother gave 23 toys to my brother. Now, how many toys remain with me? So, number of toys I had 65. Number of toys mother gave to my brother 23. Now this information is given. Now we have to find out number of toys remain with me. Remains means we have to do subtraction. So here we have to subtract 65 minus 23. Let's arrange the number according to their place value. The bigger number 65 goes on top and smaller number 23 written below it. Let's represent number 65 using place value box. The number 6 is in the tens place. Represent the number 60. We can show 6 tens block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, the number 5 is in ones place. Can be shown by using 5 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's begin subtraction from ones place. We must subtract 3 from 5. That is, take away 3 from 5. Let's take away 3 ones block from 5 ones block. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we left with 2 ones block. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Let's move to the tens place. We must subtract 2 from 6. So let's take away 2 tens block from 6 tens block. 1, 2. So we left with 4 tens block. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. It means 65 minus 23 is equal to 42. So the answer of the question is number of toys remains with me 42. I hope you understood my today's topic, how to subtract 2-digit number without carrying over. So now it's your homework time. Thank you.